Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain why Britain built an empire. Britain's Industrial Revolution created a massive demand for raw materials like cotton, rubber, and minerals. To fuel its factories and maintain economic growth, securing these resources globally became paramount. Furthermore, the empire provided captive markets for British manufactured goods, ensuring a steady demand for products. This economic engine was a primary driver, establishing a vast network of resource extraction and trade. Beyond economics, political power and strategic advantage were crucial. A large empire signified national prestige and influence on the world stage, projecting strength to rival nations. Establishing naval bases in key locations, such as Gibraltar and Singapore, allowed the Royal Navy to protect vital shipping lanes and project power across vast distances. These strategic outposts were essential for maintaining control and ensuring the smooth flow of trade and communication throughout the empire. Social and cultural factors also played a significant role in empire building. Many Britons genuinely believed in a civilizing mission, feeling it was their duty to spread Christianity, Western education, and British governance to other parts of the world. Missionaries actively sought to convert indigenous populations, while new territories offered opportunities for emigration, relieving population pressures at home. This blend of perceived moral duty and practical solutions contributed to the empire's expansion. Technological advancements from the Industrial Revolution gave Britain a distinct advantage. Innovations in weaponry, like the Maxim gun, and naval technology, such as steamships, provided military superiority, making conquest and control more feasible. Improved transportation and communication, including railways and telegraphs, allowed for more efficient administration and rapid deployment of forces across vast distances. This technological edge was instrumental in both establishing and maintaining the empire. Don't forget to check the description for a link to these fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.